Welcome to a space of calm, creativity, and nature. Today's video is not just about craft, it is about slowing down, touching something natural, and turning simplicity into beauty. Today we are creating with jute and twigs, two humble gifts from nature that carry warmth, texture, and soul. In a fast, noisy world, nature speaks softly, a dry twigs on the ground, a rough jute rope in the land. These small things remind us that beauty does not need to be perfect or expensive. Toy crafts connects us to the earth. Jute crafts connects us to simplicity. Together they create decor that feels calm, rustic and real. Jute is natural, strong, earthy and honest. When you touch jute rope, you feel its raw texture. When you wrap it, knot it or shape it, your hands move slowly, mindfully. Jute teaches patience. It asks you to take your time, and in return, it gives warmth and timeless beauty. Each jute note tells a story of handmade love. Twigs are often overlooked, fallen branches, dried sticks, uneven shapes, but in craft, twig becomes art. Their imperfections becomes their strength. Each twig is unique. No two are the same, just like handmade creativity. Twig craft reminds us that even broken things can become beautiful again. Just like handmade creativity, no two are the same. As the twigs are clean and dried and just as gently wrapped and tied, a peaceful rhythm begins. Twigs are arranged carefully. Jute holds everything together. Slowly a wall hanging, a wreath, or an ornament starts to take shape. This is not rushed work. This is mindful crafting. This is art made with calm hands and a quiet heart. Jute and twig crafts don't shine loudly. They glow softly. They bring warmth to walls, peace to corners, and a natural story into the home. These crafts fit into rustic farmhouse, boho, and minimalist spaces because nature goes out of style. Once completed style your craft, gently hang it on a wall or door. Add dry flowers, burlap bows, or soft fairy lights. Let the texture speak, let the simplicity breathe. This decor does not follow trends, it creates a feeling. Handmade jute and toy decor carries emotion. This is why people love it. These pieces can be gifts, home decor, a part of a small handmade business. Nature-inspired crafts are always in demand because they feel real and meaningful.